Hello guys, welcome to Adota Farm. In today's video we'll be talking about the common three mistakes that most farmers are facing this season. Common three mistakes that most fish farmers are facing this season. Number one of it is the sense that whereby this rain is not falling much this month, so fish farmers are experiencing these challenges in their fish farm. Especially for people that has a fish pond, they are facing so much challenge, as rain is not falling, the fish pond is drying and is causing damage to some fishes. So, and how can we solve this situation? You need to dig your fish pond very deep, and you must make sure that you dig the inlet and the outlet so that it will prevent the sun penetrating into your fish pond and affecting your fish. So you must make sure that you dig your fish pond very deep, and you must connect pipe that will be pumping water to your fish pond so that it will keep on refreshing the water, so the water will be suitable for your fish. And the number three challenge that fish farmers are facing this season is due to the fact that the cost of feed is high. Cost of feed is just high. Not only fish alone, from chickens, livestock generally, their feed is high. And what is the reason? Is because rain is not falling, so the crops are not yet growing, and so due to that, price of things is going higher day by day. So how can you face this challenge, or how can you solve this issue? You must learn how to formulate the feed yourself. You must go to the feed mill company to ask some questions on how you can do it yourself, or you plant this crop yourself. If you can do that, then you are actually eliminating the cost of feed, and you're also reducing the amount of feed that they'll be giving to you in the fish meal company. So you must learn how to formulate your feed yourself. You must learn how to plant the crops yourself if you want to solve these situations. And you can reach out to me at the end of this video. I'll be dropping my contact list. You can reach out to me if you want to learn how to formulate your fish feed, or you want to get any ingredients, or if you want me to assist you to get any ingredient to look out for you, you can contact me. At the end of this video, I'll be dropping my contact list. And the number third thing is poor planning. A lot of people plan to fail, as in they didn't plan their business well. And if you didn't plan your business well, at the end of the day, you won't see what your expectation is, and we are not going to reach your expectations. So you must plan very well. In case you want to start off a fish business, you must plan very well. Planning has to start with you must plan how to dig your fish pond. It's either you are digging the fish pond must be deeper enough, and the space must be enough. You must get a pipe that will pump water to your fish pond every day, and you must avoid giving them bad feed. So you must put all those things into consideration before you can start up your fish pond. So those are the challenges that fish farmers are facing this season. And like I've said, in Adota, we are here to guide you, and we are here to give you the good advice on how you can go about your livestock business and you excel in it. And like we have been saying, like Adota goat farm is still going on. In case if you have interest in joining our goat farm, you can feel free to contact me. At the end of the video, I'll be dropping my contact list. Feel free to contact me, and you read our terms and conditions about this farm, and you can invest your goat or your sheep into this farm. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new video for you. Do well to like this video, and please drop your comment. If you drop your comment, then we'll see that we are actually giving you a good advice and you guys are following it. Drop your comment, and bye for now.